Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. So this is an accessory to the Insta360 camera that we previously did an unboxing. We do a lot of different videos with. The Insta360 camera has a lot of really nice capabilities, and it is quite modular, and this is one of the modular accessories that you can add to the camera. As you can see here, it is the mic adapter, and this is the horizontal version specifically made for the Insta360 One RS. The interesting part, and I'll bring the camera over here, you can see right here we have the SD card reader as well as that USB-C interface, so that gives some accessory options on the camera itself. Open this box up and see what this unit is like. This is the first time I've actually ever had one of these, so it's excited to see what kind of external microphone capabilities we can have. Pull this guy out of the box. Nothing left in the box. That's not how you open it. Let's see. Let's just start yanking things apart and see what happens. There we go. It pops open like that. Okay, so all the fun instructions. 1-year warranty. Pull this out, and this is the unit itself. So everything is actually a little bit smaller than I expected. Everything that you need to have an external microphone is right here. Looks like we have, let's see, yep, so there's the microphone connection itself, and then we have more USB. Let's see if we can open this guy up and get into it. Okay, so right here, it says the Insta360 on the side. It's kind of a cool little piece of it. And it does actually look like it has a retainer clip. I was wondering how that was going to work. So it should actually slide right into that slot and then interface with the camera. You see in the bottom, you have USB-C, so you can still plug the camera in. That's really good for power while you're recording. And then you have the output right there. So let's go ahead and see what we've got going on. Now, I'm not positive, but you may actually need to remove this cover in order to make that work. It looks like this is supposed to fit right into here, so I'm going to say yes, you definitely need to remove that cover in order to make that work. It just clips right in, so it helps hold it securely. And what this does then is you can plug in any other microphone, either a boom microphone or a wireless microphone adapter, anything along those lines, so you can have that external microphone capability. Now, we did actually just take that side cover off. Wanted to include this in this video so you can see how this attaches. As you can see here, that USB-C just lines right up there, and it just pops right into the camera, and that's all it takes to be able to have that external accessory right on that Insta360. So it's a pretty simple unboxing. I do not believe there's anything left in this box. No, that seems to be it, just that foam there. Definitely some nice quality packaging foam right there, but that's everything that we have for the unboxing today of the Insta360 mic adapter horizontal version specifically made for the Insta360 One RS. My name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.